In this beginner-friendly tutorial on how to download and install Inkscape step by step until it runs. Hi, in this tutorial on how to download and install Inkscape, a free and open source program to edit and create vector graphics. Let's begin. Open any web browser and type Inkscape in the search engine. And click on the first link, inkscape.org, the official website of Inkscape. Click here on Download Now. If you have Windows, click here for version 64-bit architecture or 32-bit architecture. And here for Mac OS. M1 New Apple Mac devices. Or Intel if Mac contains an Intel graphics card. Click on any version. Wait a little bit. Click Allow if you see it. Wait to complete the download. After completing the download, close this browser and go to your Downloads folder. Select your download file, ip.dmg on Mac OS, and right-click in and open, or only double-click on the file. This window will appear. Select on Inkscape icon and drag to the Applications folder. Wait to complete a copy of the program in the Launchpad. Close this window and go to the Launchpad or Applications. Click once on Inkscape. Then wait the system to verifying program. And click Open. Here you are. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed Inkscape. This is how it looks like the tools bar in Inkscape on Mac OS. Here everything you need to create and edit vector graphics. It is a powerful program. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creation!